Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pride Month. This is going to be my first video of Pride. Sorry, my hair is a mess. You know, we're in like artist mode at the moment. So it is what it is. So for today's video, we're going to be recreating, I think her name is Naezrah, N-A-E-Z-R-A-H. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, Naezrah. I am going to be recreating this today for Pride. So if you want to see me recreate this, then keep on watching. I seen this look like a few weeks ago and I was like, I need to do that for Pride. Yeah, so let's jump into it. So basically, she has all her base done. So I have my base done. I'm going to actually add like a concealer. I never wear concealer anymore. Let's see if I could even find one. Found it. I usually don't wear concealer anymore, so this is like really odd. And then I'm just gonna get my beauty blender, which is not a beauty blender. And we're just gonna stipple that on the eye. And then after that, I'm gonna put another base down. This is gonna be the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So after the Anastasia Beverly Hills base is on, my inner corners are so bright. I never see them this bright anymore. I'm gonna do some like orangey blush. This blush is from Sephora. It is Too Hot in number 7. I'm honestly not sure if they make this anymore. But I'm just gonna be putting this on my cheekbones right here. Oh. I'm gonna be going in with my IMAGIC palette. I'm gonna be grabbing this pink color and I'm gonna be mixing it with this one right here just to kind of tone it down just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna be putting it right here on the inner corner. I'm gonna go just a tad bit brighter. Then I am mixing a little bit of red and blue just to create like a lavender color. And I'm just placing that right after the pink. Then I'm going in with blue. Then green. And I'm just mixing white into all of these just to make them like more pastel. To set it, I think I'm going to be using this Morphe Pride palette. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this pink color. Then I'm gonna do orange since I'm here. Do yellow. I'm not going in order, really. So I am just taking the Morphe Pride palette and I'm using the similar colors that I did on my face to set the IMAGIC palette. Since that's like a cream base, it's gonna slip and slide, so you want to make sure to set it down with either translucent or colored base. Translucent is gonna leave it with kind of like a white cast, so that's why I went for setting it with the eyeshadows. Don't be afraid to go back if needed to add or blend in any colors that you add. I'm going to go back in with my bronzer since I kind of erased some of it. And now I'm going back in with the blush that I used earlier. This is Too Hot by the Sephora collection. Like I said, I'm not sure if they even make this anymore, but I still have it in my collection. Then some highlight. So I just went in with like a sparkly inner corner, and then I'm going to be doing my freckles but with white eyeliner instead. So you're just going to do freckles like normal. So I did some dots, and then now I'm gonna just be doing little like stars. And for that I do like a little shape, a little kind of C shape upwards, and then the same mirrored down, and then flipped, and then the same shape just the other way. And then I extend the lines. Make sure you have enough liner for this. So like that, and then like that. And then I'm just gonna do some of those on the face. Add some mascara to the bottom lashes just to give them some color. So this is the final look. If you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. My Instagram will be down below, as well as my TikTok. Instagram, I don't know what's up with Instagram right now. And yeah, that is everything for you guys today. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Love with pride. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.